Okay guys, we are at the farm and we have two types of bananas over here, Suru and Kodwa. Kodwa, na? Yes. Kodwa and Kodwa. As you can see, the bananas over here, they are very high quality, and you can see only the molds coming out of it, the tail is coming out of it, and every single process will be completely documented, and you'll be seeing everything in detail, how the bananas are harvested, how they are cleaned, how they are dipped in an anti-mold liquid that can eradicate the mold that develops on the banana when you put it in the freezing unit. So I'll show you guys that on the next part, please. We're at the harvesting process now. We'll show you how the bananas are harvested. They are cut from the root very carefully over here. And it's carried on its shoulder, and all kinds of proper equipments are used. You can see the padding is used so that the workers are not under too much of pressure from the weight of the bananas. After the banana has been cut from the tree, it's been brought here. Banana is hanged and the tail is being removed over here, and you can see a lot of spider webs has been accumulated on the banana. So the fruit is firstly cleaned and sorted out and filtered out. So as you can see, all the damaged fruits that are in here, they are all thrown out so that only pure product reaches you. After the tails of the bananas have been removed and all the bad fruits have been sorted out and thrown over here, the banana is dipped in an anti-mold liquid that we talked about earlier. I'll show you the process. The banana is now dipped in an anti-mold liquid 2 times. First, it's been washed thoroughly. Second time in the anti-mold liquid. Then the bananas are weighed. So proper fruit with a lot of flesh reaches you. Then all the bananas are kept on a drying table, completely dried out, sealed in a box, vacuumed over there, and it's been loaded inside the truck so that all the goodness of the farm, freshness of the farm reaches to your doorstep. We at Eagle Spear Chandrabhaga Farm Export believe in the finest quality of exports, finest quality of fruits reaching you so that you consume all healthy, all organic, all the greens, all the nutrition. Thank you for watching.